Good afternoon, guys. Today is September 29, 2024, and I'd like to show you what my husband bought for the house and for me. So, to start off, let's begin with this Bissell. Is that how we pronounce it? Bissell vacuum cleaner. As I've mentioned to you before, our vacuum cleaner is already broken, so we need new one. Is that 1 minute? I'll show you what it looks like. So this is it. It's really handy, but now it has a wire. That's okay. I'll show you how it works. See? See the suction? It is so nice. Thank you so much, my dear husband. And the next one is this Nutribullet portable blender. My friend have the black one, and this is the teal or blue colored one. So let me open it. Wait for a bit. I need to get a scissor. So this is some sort of an unboxing. So this will be good for travel, and it's made to travel. It's charge and go and blend and sip cup. Look at that. So this is it. That's the portable blender, and it's the power, and that's where you put for the charge, the USB. Let me see if it has a USB with it. So that's it, guys. Here and I will just charge it using my husband's the charging port. At least it comes with it. Look at the color. I love the color. I better change direction. There. Is that better? Oh, the light is in my head. Don't like it. Okay. And now it's getting worse. I have to close the window curtain. It's not better, but where will I go? Okay. Let's just put it in here. So I love the color of this portable blender. They also have the purple and the black color. So here you have the building a smoothie. I will rinse it, and is it ready? I think it's ready to go. See? I will test it. Better rinse it and make my very own smoothie. Rinse it. Okay, I've already rinsed it. I'll get some fruits. Okay, now I'm ready. Let's put our ingredients for my first smoothie. Let's do this. So, dates, strawberries, blueberries, and organic almond milk, unsweetened. So it will be only for me. The lid. Let's begin. See how nice this portable blender. Ta-da! Here you go. So this blender is lightweight, compact. So this blender is lightweight and compact with a leak-proof handle lid for easy transport. Charge and go. Charge with the USB. This one here. This USB-C. This blender's battery holds enough power to run up to 15 plus auto cycles. No cord necessary, not for continuous use over 1 minute. So that's just the warning. Blend and sip cup. Blend your drinks directly in the cup, then flip. Ta-da! So there is also a manual for the blender. See? That's the manual, guys. Okay, guys, let's demonstrate. You can drink. So it's off now. You can drink directly from the blender. Yum yum. Or you can put it in a glass to share with my husband. Look at it. Thanks again, my dear hubby, for buying me this portable blender. I'm really happy with it. So I just want to share it with you guys because he's really sick of, not sick, he's really asking me if is there anything exciting on my vlog, because I keep like doing the grocery haul, and he wants to see something else. So this is it. I also would like you to know that he bought me these Apple earbuds, but then if I can't hear him, if he's watching a news or something, so I don't want to disturb him. And it's like, where did you get this? Why did you buy this? And he forgot that he bought it for me. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and see you again in my next one. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell if you only like the contents of my channel. Take care guys, and yeah, see you around.